Asian Paints and Start India Foundation redefine care and inclusion through art and design with Project Udaan. In today's fast-paced world, innovation is often viewed as a means to keep up with evolving customer expectations and stay ahead of the curve. But the truest form of innovation is not just about staying relevant, it's about creating impact. It's about reinvention that brings inclusion, sustainability, and social good to the forefront. One powerful example of such purposeful innovation is Project Udaan, an inspiring initiative under Asian Paints Start Care, a collaboration between Asian Paints and the Start India Foundation. This partnership, now in its 10th year, is rooted in a shared dream to make art spaces accessible for all. Project Udaan is the third initiative under Asian Paints Start Care and stands as a testament to how art and design can transcend aesthetics to promote empathy, accessibility, and emotional well-being. Project Udaan is a pioneering sensory art and design intervention that aims to generate more awareness on neurodiversity. It involves the transformation of ARPAN Charitable Trust in Vedadara, a nonprofit that works with neurodivergent children with color, materials, creativity, and design. Here, walls don't just speak, they soothe. Surfaces don't just look good, they connect. The aim is to create a space that is emotionally attuned to children with autism, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, and other neurodiversity conditions, helping them feel safe, seen, and supported. In a conversation with Amit Singhal, MD CEO of Asian Paints, he spoke about the values that guide this initiative. At Asian Paints, our purpose has always been to bring joy into people's lives. Our core corporate philosophy, Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai, reflects the belief that every home has a story to tell. Project Udaan is a natural extension of these beliefs. We believe that color, material, and design aren't just tools of beautification, they are agents of care, comfort, and human connection. He explained that Asian Paints Start Care is built on the belief that spaces should evolve with the people who utilize them. Through Udaan, we've committed ourselves to creating environments that are not just beautiful, but emotionally intelligent. These are spaces designed to communicate, offering clarity, calm, and inclusion. From the textures to the colors, every element is chosen with care to meet the sensory needs of neurodivergent children, he added. Speaking on the role of design, Mr. Singhal said, design is often seen as a way to beautify. But we see it as a medium for creating emotional safety and sensory support. This journey, starting from homes and expanding to inclusive learning spaces, has opened up the deeper purpose of design. A deeply poignant aspect of Udaan is the involvement of Amrit Khurana, an artist on the autism spectrum. Her lived experience brought an authentic and invaluable perspective to the design process. Amrit's understanding of textures and colors wasn't theoretical, it was intuitive. It helped shape a space that doesn't just accommodate sensory needs but embraces them. Amrit worked closely with artist Anakasa, who brought structure and material expertise to the project. The two co-created an environment that balances sensory stimulation with serenity. Amrit's emotive rhythm of color met Anakasa's thoughtful tactile design composition, resulting in a space that soothes, excites, and nurtures. The design process was deeply collaborative, involving not just artists but also therapists, special educators, and the staff at ARPAN, whose lived experience with neurodivergent children helped shape every detail, from the color palette to the rhythm of textures. Project Udaan draws on Asian Paints' vast expertise in materials and color innovation. Royale play textures, matte pastel emulsions, and Nilaya fabrics and wallpapers were used to build a multi-sensory experience. These allow children to trace, feel, and interact with the space around them. Matte finishes reduce glare, aiding visual comfort, while soft textures stimulate touch and motor coordination. Elements like sensory rugs, pom-pom textured surfaces, and cocoon-like structures provide spaces for play, learning, or relaxation. Neurodivergent children have different sensory needs, and the diverse surfaces and aspects of the play area cater to those needs. Before Udaan, two other impactful initiatives were carried out under Asian Paints Start Care. The first was at a children's hospital in Noida, where vibrant art transformed an intimidating space into one of warmth and welcome. The second, Project Sparsh in Rajasthan, brought tactile art to a school for the visually impaired, making creativity more inclusive and accessible. When asked what success looks like for a project like Udaan, Mr. Singhal shared, success lies in the feedback we've received from the educators. The Dean of ARPAN shared that Project Udaan has brought a transformative shift. What was once an overlooked building is now a vibrant, interactive sanctuary that the children proudly call their own. The joy, ownership, and engagement they see in them today is a testament to how inclusive design can truly empower and uplift. Swipe left for next video. Asian Paints and Start India Foundation are committed to driving long-term change. They aim to expand their collaborations with institutions such as schools, hospitals, and community spaces, using art and design to enrich environments and meaningfully impact the lives of the people they serve. Partnered post latest blogs.